These are the hardware and operating system requirements. So the student's computer has to meet these requirements to be able to perform Roblox activities on the computer. But just in case if something goes wrong, if the student's Roblox setup doesn't get installed on the computer, or for some reason or the other, if uh, doesn't work well, then you don't have to let go the student. Do not do that. The student has come to the trial class, so you have to meet that challenge and somehow figure out a way to still continue with the class. So do not worry if the child has not been able to install the software. See if you can help the child out. Try to get that software installed. And if it's a genuine problem of the operating system, or if for some reason or the other that file of Roblox is not getting supported on the computer, then you perform the activities and let the child see how it is done. But make sure that you hold that trial class very well, because in the future the student may be able to find a computer with the supporting OS and hardware requirements, or at least the student can talk about this entire experience to his friends or her friends, and we can have more students interested and willing to join our course in Roblox. So make sure that each and every child that comes to you is very important, and do not put off any child just because the Roblox hardware and software has not been uh, you know met. The conditions or the requirements have not been met. You do the task and let the child enjoy by simply looking at it. So this is only regarding Roblox. I'm sure that there should not be any problem with the JavaScript related task. You can perform JavaScript and student can uh, do the tasks related to JavaScript 2D animation as well. You can, if you have spare time in hand, then make your JavaScript projects a little more elaborative. So if the student is building an animation of car moving from one direction to another, then you can also add a little more environment and create that 2D scene very well, and have more time to JavaScript if Roblox time is not utilized well because of the hardware and OS operating system requirement not being met. So it's your call. Make sure that the experience of the trial class goes very well for the child.